Hello, YouTube family. I'm glad you can be here to share with you this nice, delicious, zesty, sweet, news-breaking chicken curry salad. Keep watching and I'll show you exactly how I make it. Thank you for joining me on Caribbean Ducks. Glad you can be here. Let's get started. We're going to start with some dark meat. This is chicken, leg and thigh that we just washed out. And now I'm going to season with some lime juice. And we're going to let it soak for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to rinse it back out. Now I'm going to go in with 1 tablespoon of my homemade Caribbean all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to marinate it, massage it right into the meat. And we're going to let that sit for a few minutes as well. Let everything get absorbed into the meat. Now we can heat our pan up and get ready for the chicken to cook. So we're gonna cook this chicken and steam it well. Season with a little bit of salt and black pepper. And let it cook with all that nice flavor from the seasoning. After a few minutes, we flip it over. And continue the cooking process. We're going to allow this to release its own liquid, and then we're going to add some more liquid in a moment. Let it steam for a little bit more. Now we can add about 3/4 of a glass of water and let it steam on slow heat. And it's cooking away here. Now we're going to prepare the rest of our ingredients. I have 4 cloves of garlic, my onions, and my pepper. I have a piece of jalapeno pepper here to spice things up and zest it up a little bit. And our sweet peppers. I have celery, which is a must for your salad. And some parsley that I'm going to chop finely. I have my craisins here and 1/4 cup of raisin. We're going to grate our garlics. And that's the amount of garlic we want. Gonna chop my red onions here into tiny little pieces. And my parsley, I'm also gonna cut into tiny little pieces and set aside. Our celery gets cut and chopped in small pieces as well. We add into the layers of flavor here. Set that to the side. Here's my jalapeno pepper. I don't want to make this too spicy hot because the kids will eat. But I just want it to be a little zesty. So I'm adding about 1/2 of that jalapeno pepper. And now we're going in with our colors and more flavors from our sweet peppers. This is going to be a delightful salad. Lots of flavor. So now we're going to prepare our dry ingredients, which is 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon ground toasted cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 cup of real mayonnaise. We're making this rich, guys. And we're gonna start mixing our ingredients together. We're gonna go in with 3 tablespoons of orange marmalade to sweeten it up and give it that nice flavor. We're going in with 1/3 of a cup of cranberry and 1/4 cup of raisins. Our chickens has been cooked, fully cooked, well seasoned and cooked, and cooled off. Now we're ready to shred it and debone. So guys, the reason why I'm using dark meat, bone-in chicken, it has a lot more flavor. It absorbs a lot more flavor as well from the seasoning. And this is the reason why I'm using the dark meat. I have chicken breast, but I prefer not to use that because it's so much juicier and tastier when you use your dark meat. Now we're gonna chop everything into little chunks, not too fine, but nice little bite-sized chunks. And we're gonna add our seasoning in our mixing bowl all together. Go in with our cup of mayonnaise here. And we're gonna go in with 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard. This is another must, making it nice and zesty and sweet as well. We add our chickens here. Now we're going with all our dried curried seasoning. And we're going with our best utensils here, our hands, and give this a nice toss, making sure that everything is coated and well blended. Think about all the flavors here that's gonna be tingling in your mouth here. All this curry, sweet, nice, delicious flavor that's coming out of here. And this is what we have here, guys. Our chicken curry salad, which can go on some bread. You can put it on a bun. You can even put it on some croissant. A couple pieces of lettuce. You can get creative with this as much as you like. But here you have it. Simple, easy, quick recipe for curry chicken salad. So what I'm going to do here is use some baby spinach. Gonna top it off with some nice, delicious, fresh baby spinach. Making this a nice, healthy, flavorful. We add some avocados. And this is one of the most delicious sandwich you can have here with this curry chicken salad, guys. So remember, if you like my recipe and you find this video interesting, not to forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. And please give me a like or a comment. And as always, please remember to cook with lots of flavors, be kind and humble, stay healthy. Until we see you again on another video. Enjoy.